In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious cayenne chicken and sausage pasta. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need penne pasta cooked, 1 chicken breast cubed, 1 smoked sausage sliced, 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon of parsley, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 cup of green pepper cubed, and 1 cup of red pepper cubed. In a pan over heat, we're going to add in our oil. Now we're going to add in our chicken and cook thoroughly. Once our chicken is cooked, we're going to add in our sausages and continue cooking. Now add in the red and green peppers. After that, we're going to add in our cayenne pepper and we're going to mix until completely combined. Add in the heavy cream. Now we're going to add in the mozzarella and mix until combined and bring this to a boil. Once our pasta sauce is boiling, we're going to add in the parsley. Now add in the cooked pasta and combine completely. Our pasta is ready and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.